Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make Instagram account private for more control over your profile. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Then go to your account, present menu. Go to account privacy. Now, if you want to make your Instagram account private, you just have to turn on the button. Press on switch to private. That's it. So this is how to make Instagram account private for more control over your profile. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.